Pufferfish are omnivores, meaning they eat plants and meat. Some pufferfish use their beak-shaped teeth to break the shells of crabs, clams, and other shellfish so that they can eat them. The blue tang has a royal blue body, yellow tail, and black palate design. It's an oval-shaped fish with a hard beak-like mouth that scrapes algae from rocks. There are over 30,000 species of fish. Fish breathe through their gills. Most fish don't have eyelids. Fish are cold-blooded.
Blue whales have loud, deep voices and can communicate with other whales hundreds of miles away. Most blue whales migrate to cold waters to find food and to warmer waters to breed.
Crabs can actually shuffle forwards, but very slowly. They walk sideways because they are much quicker that way, as their legs are attached to the sides of their bodies, and their joints bend that way. Sharks are fishes, and most have the typical fusiform body shape. Like other fishes, sharks are ectothermic, cold-blooded, live in water, have fins, and breathe with gills. Whales are warm-blooded like other mammals. A fatty tissue called blubber keeps them warm. Echolocation enables them to locate and discriminate objects. A sperm whale is the biggest toothed predator in the world. It has a very big head that holds a big brain and an oily substance called spermaceti, which is what the whale is named after. Lobsters hide among rocks on the ocean floor during the day. At night, they crawl around looking for fish, crabs, and clams. Lobsters also eat plants and dead animals. Ducks have better vision than you do. They can also move each eye independently and sleep with one eye open to watch for predators. In a group, ducks will trade off keeping an eye open to help protect the rest of the group from danger. The word beluga comes from the Russian word for white. They can swim backwards. They can live 70 to 80 years. Beluga whales can dive for up to 25 minutes non-stop. Seahorses are tiny fishes that are named for the shape of their head, which looks like the head of a tiny horse. They have a tube-shaped body and a small rod-like internal shell called a pen. Squid have 2 tentacles that are longer than its arms. They are usually hidden from view, but one-holes and coral reefs are home sweet home for octopuses. 2, they're super speedy backstroke swimmers. There are over 30,000 species of fish. Fish breathe through their gills. Most fish don't have eyelids. Fish are cold-blooded. Certain species of frogs can freeze nearly solid in the winter and emerge unscathed in the spring. Wood frogs evolved to freeze up to 65% of their body every winter. Frogs use their eyeballs to help them eat. Hippopotamuses can live for up to 50 years in the wild. A group of hippopotamuses also be called a bloat, school, pod, herd, or dale. Hippopotamuses can hold their breath underwater for about 5 minutes. The manta ray is a cartilaginous fish. This means it is a fish that only has cartilage and no bones, like sharks. They use their gills to breathe underwater and must keep moving at all times for the water to flow over their gills. There are 7 species of marine turtle. Turtles don't have teeth. They're well-arred. Their young lives are a mystery. They can be ginormous. It's survival of the fittest. Sea lions swim using their long, powerful foreflippers and hind flippers. Sea lions are strong swimmers who can reach speeds of nearly 20 miles per hour. Sea otters are part of the weasel family. They have webbed feet, water-repellent fur to keep them dry and warm, and nostrils and ears that close in the water. There are 9 species of hammerhead shark in the world. The distinctive hammerhead, part of the shark, is called a cephalofoil. Hammerheads can use their heads to aid in hunting. Clownfish migrate to deeper waters during the winter to stay warm. They can communicate by making popping and clicking noises. Sharks are fishes, and most have the typical fusiform body shape. Like other fishes, sharks are ectothermic, cold-blooded, live in water, have fins, and breathe with gills. Stingrays, with their wide, flat bodies, may not look like fish, but they are. They are related to sharks, and like their shark cousins, they do not have bones. A starfish is not a fish. They have no brain or blood. They weigh more than you think. They live for a long time. Penguins don't have teeth. Penguins are only found in the southern hemisphere. There are 18 species of penguin. Penguins originated in Australia. Elephants are known for their large ears, tusks made of ivory, and their trunks. 2. Elephants are the world's largest land animal. Male African elephants can reach 3 meters tall and weigh between 4,000 and 7,500 kilos. Alligators are freshwater animals. On land, they may seem awkward and slow, as they can only run up to 11 miles an hour. However, with their powerful tails and webbed feet, alligators thrive in water and can swim up to 20 miles an hour. Male deer are called bucks, female deer are called does, and baby deer are called fawns. Deer love to eat all kinds of plants, flowers, berries, and vegetables. Seals are marine mammals that spend most of their time in the ocean and can grow to be between 3.5 and 16 feet long. Whales are mammals just like we are. Just like us, they breathe air, have hair, are warm-blooded, give birth to live young, and feed their young milk. Bulls are typically the same height as cows or slightly taller, and because of their greater muscle and bone mass, they weigh significantly more. A bull usually has a hump on his shoulders. There are 2 main subspecies of walrus. A male walrus can weigh over a ton. Both male and female walruses have tusks. Mother walruses are very protective of their young. They can live to around 40 years old, largest member of the cat family after the tiger. Lions live in parts of Africa and India. Their loud roar is among the most terrifying sounds of the grasslands. The scientific name of the lion is Panthera leo. Rhinoceroses are large, heavy animals with thick grey or brown skin, short legs, and 1 or 2 horns on their nose. Dolphins are carnivores. Dolphins only sleep with half of their brain. Dolphins live a long time. Some whales are actually dolphins. A dolphin can swim more than 20 mph. Dolphins